Hey everyone, it's Mark Skipper Mark, and today we are at the Heskey Park boat ramp on Lake Winnipesaukee in the town of Meredith, New Hampshire. This ramp is the hardest of any on the lake and probably the worst ramp I've seen anywhere. First up is a gorgeous Cobalt and a nice looking GMC. He's got the trailer in a good spot on the right, but the turnout is so short, the truck keeps ending up against the rocks as soon as he starts to turn. Well, that's a different way to do it. That's probably not the best way to do it, but I understand the problem. Once the boat has started backing down toward the ramp, it's almost impossible to back out and reset. Alright, well this guy isn't even going to attempt to pull into the turnout. Ramp rules limit the combined length of boat and trailer to 30 feet, which is insanely short. That's only 5 inches longer than Matt's two-door Jeep Wrangler and Wave Runner trailer. Here's a beautiful antique wooden Century. I don't know the model, but if anyone does, please leave a comment below. Oh boy, this long boat and truck combo is tempting fate by pulling into the turnout. He's actually doing pretty good though. I have a feeling these guys are going to do pretty good. And they are. Maybe because the Jeep has a short wheelbase and a tight turn radius. If you need a lesson in how to back into this boat ramp, these guys are going to give it to us. This is Flightcraft Marine, and I've never seen them have a problem here. Every time they back in, it's perfect. It looks like someone is about to get delivery of a beautiful new Cobalt. Hey Nance, check it out. It's one of those old amphibious cars. That is so cool. This group has been struggling for a while. Let's see how they do. The captain just left the helm. Good, the friends jumped in to help him out. Nope, now he's leaving again. Now he's going to the back of the boat. Somebody needs to, there you go. Alright, this guy's gonna... Alright, so looks like a second guy is taking over driving, and I think they're going to be able to back out okay. Happy to see that the baby has a life jacket on. Oh, here's another big pontoon boat. Yeah, when you swing out on the street like that, it makes it perfect and easy to back in here. I have no idea why they designed the ramp this way. It's just really almost impossible to get a boat in here. Here we go. This guy shouldn't have any trouble, and he's proper legal length.
I'm 557.
Not bad for his first attempt. He had to make one swing, but that's not too bad. And that's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.